All right, welcome back. I hope that the myths that I just talked about were a little bit eye-opening and added something for your consideration. Now that we've covered some of those problems with SEO advice, I'm going to present a different way to think about SEO. And this is the way of thinking that the entire strategy is built upon. So I'd encourage you to listen to this and really understand it. And there's 3 rules. Rule 1 is that Google is for answering people's questions. Google and search engines exist so that we can go onto the internet and we can plug in something that we're looking for. We're looking for an answer to something. We're looking for a website that a friend mentioned. We are looking for something. We are trying to get a question answered, and that is Google's job. All right? It's not to put this person's webpage on the front of the internet. It's not to do really anything else but answer people's questions and obviously make money in the process. The second rule is that Google knows way more than us and SEO experts about how Google works. It's easy to start to think that SEO experts and SEO bloggers, or even me, know how Google works, but none of us do. Right? The only person or company that knows how Google works are the people who work at Google and Google itself. But even they don't have the full picture because they've started using such advanced machine learning algorithms that the computers are optimizing the search functionality without input from the engineers. And so now it's ranking on criteria and making decisions in ways that they don't fully understand either. So all we have is some of this data from the outside and some of our best guesses, and nobody actually knows how it works. It's really just guesswork and what we can infer from logic like we're walking through here. And the third rule is that any ranking trick is going to be fixed. All right? A lot of these little things that might get quick short-term results for rankings, they're not going to last. We've seen this over and over again. Every time somebody finds a cool new tactic to get ranked on Google, Google shuts it down. Whether that was stuffing keywords or getting people to add links in their headers or formatting your page a certain way or adding tons of meta keywords, all of that stuff has been undone. And so it's a very safe bet that if you stumble across any SEO trick to get ranked now, you might get some short-term traffic, but in the long term, you're going to lose out and Google's going to penalize your site. So your goal, based on these 3 rules with SEO, is to answer questions better than anyone else on the internet. That's all you have to do. That is the core of SEO. If you can answer questions better than anyone else, SEO is easy. And everything in this course is going to be based on that idea of identifying good questions to answer and then answering them to the best of your ability in a way that Google picks it up and ranks you. If you're looking for quick fixes, little hacks to get ranked on Google, 1, they're probably not going to work, and 2, if they do work, they're not going to be sustainable. But if you can do this, if you can put in the work to answering questions better than anyone else, SEO is easy.